The world's largest iceberg, known as A23A, has broken free after decades of being stationary in the Southern Ocean, and it's now making waves, literally.
Now to the world's biggest iceberg in what's likely to be the final months of its existence. Take a look at this erosion carving dramatic features into the iceberg, known as A23A. It's being grounded down by the warmer air and water it's encountering as it drifts slowly away from the Antarctic.
This colossal chunk of ice, roughly twice the size of Greater London, has a surface area of 3,900 square kilometers and weighs nearly 1 trillion tons. After more than 30 years near the South Orkney Islands, it's on the move, heading into warmer waters where it is expected to break apart and melt. A 23A originally calved from Antarctica's Filchner ice shelf in 1986, making it one of the oldest tracked icebergs. For most of its existence, it remained grounded in the Weddell Sea, pinned in place by underwater ridges and ice. However, in 2020, the iceberg started to shift, causing scientists to take notice. Its movement was initially limited due to a Taylor column, a natural ocean phenomenon where circulating water traps an object in place, causing it to rotate slowly. This effectively held A23A in a frozen dance for years, until recently, when it finally broke free. Now, drifting northward, a 23AI is expected to follow the Antarctic Circumpolar Current, a powerful ocean flow that could carry it toward South Georgia, a remote island in the southern Atlantic Ocean. This journey is significant not only because of the iceberg's sheer size, but also because of the environmental impact it could have as it melts. The iceberg's inevitable demise in warmer waters will release enormous amounts of fresh water into the ocean. This process could disrupt local ecosystems, altering salinity levels and water temperatures. At the same time, the melting ice may release nutrients that have been trapped within it for decades, potentially boosting marine productivity in the region. Scientists are particularly interested in this aspect, as it could temporarily enhance the food supply for species like krill, which are a cornerstone of the Southern Ocean's ecosystem. Researchers from the British Antarctic Survey and other organizations are closely monitoring A23A's progress. Satellite imagery has revealed the iceberg's gradual movement away from the South Orkney Islands, and teams are studying its potential trajectory and ecological effects. While massive icebergs calving from Antarctica are a natural phenomenon, their behavior is becoming increasingly important to understand, particularly in the context of a warming planet. The sheer scale of A23A underscores the dynamic and ever-changing nature of polar ice. Although its movement and eventual breakup are natural, it serves as a dramatic reminder of the fragility of polar regions. Icebergs like A23A highlight the interconnectedness of Earth's systems, where changes in one area can ripple out to affect ecosystems thousands of miles away.